Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to put others' stories on my story without being mentioned. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram and log into your account. You can directly add someone's story if you are mentioned in it. But if you are not mentioned, what you will have to do is to take a screenshot of that story and then upload it. For example, I will screenshot this story. Now I can mention someone, add stickers or music, and edit it. Then I will share it as my story. So the only way to share someone else's story is to take a screenshot and re-upload it. That's all it takes to put other stories on my story without being mentioned on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.